Ever pondered the secret sauce that makes any marketing campaign successful? It's a tool so powerful, yet so simple, it's almost magical. This secret weapon is none other than a marketing persona. But what exactly is a marketing persona? Imagine you're an author penning a novel. Each character in your narrative has a unique background, personality, and motivation. These elements shape their actions, reactions, and decisions. Now take this concept and apply it to your business. Your customers are your characters, each with a unique set of characteristics and motivations. The better you understand these elements, the more effectively you can write the story of your brand that appeals to them. Consider Jane, a small business owner. She's in her mid-30s, lives in a bustling city, and is always on the lookout for tools that can make her business more efficient. She's tech savvy, values quality over price, and prefers companies that provide excellent customer service. On the other hand, meet John, a retiree. He lives in a quiet suburban neighbourhood and enjoys gardening. He's not very comfortable with technology and prefers companies that offer simple, user-friendly products and services. Jane and John represent two vastly different marketing personas. The strategies that would resonate with Jane would likely fall flat for John, and vice versa. By understanding their unique needs and preferences, you can tailor your marketing messages to resonate deeply with each of them. Creating a marketing persona is like crafting a character for your brand's narrative. It requires research, empathy, and a dash of creativity. But once you've created these personas, you've essentially built a roadmap to your customers' hearts and minds. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your marketing personas today. As you delve into the minds of your customers, you'll uncover insights that can transform your marketing strategy. And remember, the more detailed your persona, the more effective your marketing will be. So don't be afraid to get creative, and most importantly, have fun with it. After all, marketing is as much an art as it is a science, and just like that, you're now equipped with a secret weapon to make your marketing more effective than ever. So go forth, craft your personas, and watch as your brand story resonates like never before. Your audience is waiting.